Hi guys, I'm Aaron Eller. I'm the founder and owner of Cash Offer Man, a local home buying company located right here in St. Louis. And we buy houses for cash in any condition all across the St. Louis metro. And today we're talking about hoarder houses. We buy a lot of houses across St. Louis that, are filled with a lot of stuff, whether it's an inherited property, you're relocating or downsizing or moving into senior living. No matter the situation, we make the process super easy. So, first and foremost, we will buy your house in any condition as is. That means that no matter what's inside the house, as is, where is, you can leave it. You don't have to touch a thing. You don't have to clean it. You don't have to remove anything. We will buy it 100% as is. We do not judge the property condition. We're here to make a cash offer and give you, your options to sell your house. But if you want to take some of the stuff with you, if you want to take everything with you, we can even help you move it. So no matter the situation, what we specialize in at Cash Offer Man is working directly with homeowners and giving them an easy way to sell and move on from their house. So no matter the situation, we will help you. We will pay for movers. I have workers that can help move you themselves. We'll transfer it to your next house, to a storage unit, whatever. We can even help you sell it if you want to sell it before selling. If you want to have an estate sale, a garage sale. We have a lot of partners that will come and do an estate sale for you completely out of cost, and they'll split the money with you. So no matter the situation, we'll make it super easy and give you a lot of options so you can pick whatever one is the most optimal for you. So if you have a house that you are wanting to sell and it has a lot of stuff in it, whether it's a hoarder house, it has, just a lot of things and belongings, or, it just needs a lot of work, we will come view it today, make you an all cash offer the same day, and give you an option. We can close as quick as you need, or we can push the closing date back on your timeline, whatever's best for you. So reach out to us at cashofferman.com or give us a call today at 314-912-4939. Again, we are a local company here. Our office is located in St. Charles at 4620 South St. Peters Parkway, St. Charles, Missouri 63304, right by the Quick Trip off of Kiska Road. So I live in St. Louis. We just specialize in working with homeowners directly, face to face. We come out, view the property. We're not some online company. We're local investors here in St. Louis. And, we have the utmost integrity, honesty, and transparency. So if you want to sell your house, give us a call or head to our website and we'll come view it today. Thank you guys.